Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can send an Instagram post without saving it, so simply start by opening your Instagram. So simply start by finding a post you would like to send, so for example this is post you would like to send, so simply click on this third button next to the comment one, and now you can see that all this are your recent chats. So simply try finding the person you would like to send the post, so for example let's send it to this BN user. And now the post has been sent, so simply check in your DMS, and you will see that the post is sent and it's in chats. So thanks for watching, and if you are new make sure you subscribe.